Where do I start to build a speaker box? I started like probably a lot of people will start, clicking on a Google search and seeing where that rabbit hole takes me. So after reading a bunch of stuff online and doing a bunch of Google searches, watching YouTube videos, etc., I've learned I've got a lot to learn. Not only do I need to decide what speakers I'm going to build or what speaker components I want, I'm going to have to decide on if I'm going to build my own crossover, which I want to. So then it's how to build my own crossover. And then as far as building a speaker box, what all is involved in building a speaker box? I found out quickly that the enclosure can either be sealed or it can be ported. But the sealed enclosure is better for some speakers, and a ported enclosure is better for other speakers. As well, the port length will affect the tuning of the box, which hertz the box will respond to. So it's a lot to take in. I guess the first thing I'm going to try to do is dig further into how to build a speaker box, and once I've got a speaker box built, I can go further down this trail. So then the next question is about building a speaker box. Okay, so let's say I pick out a driver and I want to build a speaker box. Is there some way to automate that, or is there some program online? Well, I did find two resources. One of them that I found was WinISD, and the other is a website called subboxpro/en. Links in the description to both. With WinISD, you can calculate the speaker based on the parameters given to you by the manufacturer, and then take those parameters into that website, chuck that in there, and that'll help you design the actual enclosure, a cutting list, and get you on your way to building the box for the speaker. So now it didn't take me long to realize, well, I can't build a speaker box until I find the speaker that I want. So let's find a brand name of a speaker that's highly reputable. How do we do that? Do a search for best speaker and follow the reviews of the people. So after much review and deliberation, I finally came across a website called Matasound, and the SB Acoustics line is the line of speakers that I'm going to go with and try to build a speaker box with. So before I do anything, I guess I've got to pick up the speakers or pick the speaker out that I want, and then I can go ahead and load those parameters into WinISD, come up with a speaker box design there, find out what the cutting list is, and then we're off to square one. So the first driver that I decided upon was the SB Acoustics SB23 CACS 45 in a 4 ohm, and that's going to be an 8-inch driver, and I'm going to try to build a two-way speaker with this using the SB Acoustics SB29 RDNC Neo Magnet driver. The reviews on this is great. The reviews on the other speaker is good as well, and the reviews of SB Acoustics are fantastic. So I'm going to pick these speakers up and I'm going to see if I can build a two-way before tackling a big tower 3-way speaker. If you want to see me build the first box or how to put together a box after I've got these drivers in WinISD, the video is going to show up on the side here when I come up with that.